Ants are way more than just tiny bugs you barely notice. They're masters at managing their own crowded little worlds. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities. And here are 7 fascinating ways ants regulate their population dynamics. Number 1, division of labor and task allocation. Ant colonies work like a well-oiled machine. Queens lay eggs, workers switch between foraging and nest care depending on what's needed, and males handle mating. This flexibility keeps things running smooth no matter what. Number 2, communication and coordination. Ants talk using pheromones, chemical signals that tell others where food is or warn about danger. When one finds food, it leaves a scent trail that others follow, adjusting their path super fast as conditions change. Number 3, foraging regulation. Ants control how much they forage based on how hungry the colony is. Scouts search for food while others stay put until they get the signal, making sure they don't waste energy or overuse resources. Number 4, mutualisms and external influences. Ants team up with aphids to get honeydew in exchange for protection. This natural partnership helps control pests in gardens and keeps ecosystems balanced, which you can encourage by planting the right stuff. Number 5, colony growth and reproduction. Once a colony hits about 10,000 ants, it stabilizes and produces winged queens and males for nuptial flights. This keeps the population genetically diverse and ready to expand. Number 6, population competition. Competing colonies fight or avoid each other to claim territory and resources. Watching how they react to different food baits can show you their social dynamics firsthand. Number 7, environmental adaptation. Ants adjust everything, from nesting spots to reproduction, based on weather and resource availability. During droughts or cold seasons, some slow down or go dormant to survive tough times. Want to see how managing your home projects can be just as smart as ant colonies? Head over to bighomeprojects.com, where local pros help you coordinate your projects with the same savvy ants used to thrive.